Meaning of etc.
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 etc. Etc. is a Latin expression that means and so on or and other things. It is often used to refer to additional items that are not explicitly stated. For example, if someone mentions a list of items such as apples, oranges, bananas, etc., they may use etc. to indicate that there are other items in the list, but they are not specifically mentioned. This expression is commonly abbreviated as etc., and can be used in both formal and informal situations to denote the continuation of a list or series.